UCount Rewards for Business rewards all your monthly business banking activities. It's smart because you get more value back. The higher your tier level, the more rewards points you earn. Our tier estimator eliminates the guesswork on moving up a tier level. There are loads of ways your business can move up to the next tier level through a combination of banking behaviors you probably already do and products your business already uses. Like updating your business profile, holding a qualifying business savings account and maintaining an average monthly balance across all accounts, or holding and maintaining a business revolving loan. All of this can increase your tier level. Get so many great benefits, discounts and special offers for your business. Get going. Join UCount Rewards for Business by contacting your business banker or visit standardbank.co.za/UCount Business.